Alright, welcome back. So this morning we're going to put the anti-flap kit up. As you can see, I've just put the awning out. She's flapping pretty hard. There's a bit of a breeze here this morning, so I thought it'd be a good opportunity to show you how the anti-flap kit goes on and what difference it makes when it's on there. So hopefully you can hear me okay with all the wind. So if we come over here, I'll show you what the anti-flap kit looks like. Basically you get two sides, so they'll slide into each other. There's four broken apart. Then you get these clips here, so there's 8 clips per side of the awning. And I'll just show you, if you come in close, how they go on. So it just sort of clips on there and you roll it over. The awning's in there, the fabric there, so it goes in like that, and then we just roll it over. I'll show you how easy it is when we put it on. So yeah, that's basically what you get in the kit. I've got to put I'll put one side on and then we'll have a look and see what difference it makes. So just grab a chair. The installation of these, there's an instruction manual when you get these in the box there. Basically all it is up here they supply you with this bracket, screws. I pot riveted mine in there because that's just what I like in there on that side, and then on this side here it just sits on top of this little nook here in front of that pole there. So I'll show you what that looks like when we get to that stage. So alright, so what we need to do is see in here, how you can tell the difference is how that's flat and the track's running on the inside. You want the sail track on the inside of the awning. So this one here will go here on the inside, and then that will sit flush on top of that section there. So basically all it is, sometimes it's a bit confusing about which part's which. Comes with a little screw here. I actually screw mine all the way in because I've lost it in the tunnel boot there once, in the pole box, sorry. So I just make sure I screw them tight in there before I put them away. That just basically slides into here. And as you can see, now we've got a nice sail track running through the whole section of it. So let's just go put that up. This little bracket here fits into this bracket. Pretty straightforward. In like that. Notice I haven't tightened this up. I'll just leave that loose for a minute. So I just want to extend it out. Sit it up on that bit there. Now, because it's still a bit loose, I like to just get my thumb, my right hand, and just try to spread that apart a bit while I tighten that up. So that's it for there. So now there's 8 of these clips. What I'll do, I'll just take the car keys out. I like to load my pockets up. 2, 4, 6, 8. And then you just go ahead and, like I showed you, they clip on and then roll over. So I'll just show you a couple here. And you just decide where you want to put these. They supply 4 for each. I tend to only use 3 on the back side, and then I use 5 on the front, but I guess it depends on where the wind's blowing and whatnot. See how that's just caught on the awning there, and it just wraps it around, locks it into place. It doesn't look like much, but I'll show you in a minute. You'll see how effective it is, I guess. Let's put these on. And that's it. That's as much as you have to do for one side anyway. So I don't know if you can see, there's a bit of a breeze. So this is one that this doesn't have it. It's a bit hard at the minute because it's not, wind's died off. But anyway, you'll see that what it does is just stops that from flapping. It'll still flap in here, but you won't care about that, to be honest. It's this flapping here that'll make you a bit paranoid about putting the awning away quickly. So we've travelled all through South Australia without this. It's very windy in South Australia, as you know, and we decided to ring the team at Jawa and say, hey, look, what can we do about this? And we decided that yeah, ordering an awning anti-flap kit was the way to go. Send it out to us, and we've only used it probably a handful of times, and each time it's been a godsend, to be honest, because you are cooking out here. You've got all your fridge and that out here, so when it's in real bad weather and you have to put the awning away, suddenly you're inside, and that's not what you buy a hybrid van to do. You buy it to be outside. So for us in particular, our personal experience having this, it's just been one of those things that's changed the way that we go about our camping, which is really good. So yeah, come for a walk. As you can see, it's starting to get a bit breezy. That's flapping around. I'll put this other one on now and I'll show you how that one goes on. I don't know how long that took. Same again, we'll just wind out this nut here, this screw. Get that flush with that pipe work so it slides on there quick and nice. Easy. Yeah, if you come over this side, I might show you a bit better there. Alright, same again. Put that up into the bracket. Slide that through, set it on top of that nook that I showed you earlier. My thumb, I just like to make sure that's extended out tight. And you even see it. Well, that's it there. These clips. 1, 2. There. I'll just show you something if you come in closer. See with these, it's got see how this bit's a bit longer than that bit? That's the bit that rolls over and clips it into place. So always the longer bit goes on the outside. You can feel it clicking on there. Just roll it over and it's caught flush on that awning. So bright yellow clips don't look the best, but it does the job, and that's all that matters, I guess. Put that on there. Yeah, we might go another one just there. Like I said, sometimes I might put 5 up here, 3 down there, 4 and 4, 5. You know, you just work it out, depends on which way the wind's coming and how much it's blowing and things like that. Tighten that up. Yeah, so that's it. Makes a massive difference. If you had this awning on your Infinity 15, or I think the Escape's got it, or a couple other models have got it, for the sake of I think they were a few $100s for the anti-flap kit. We probably should have got it when we bought the van, to be honest. My wife wanted to have it. I didn't want it. We didn't get it. We've since got it, like I just mentioned, and it's been the best thing ever. So it's probably the best addition we've done to the van, to be honest. It really has, given that we're in South Australia. The other thing I wanted to mention, now that you got this sail track, I won't do it now, but you'll see in some of my photos that I post and videos, this sail track actually have another shade that will come out down on like a 45 degree, and then you can do a 45 degree that way as well. That'll block that sun off. You can see the sun beating down. The sun's coming down on the fridge here. So I'm going to put an awning out here, and it'll just offer a bit more protection. You can actually put your Enix through there and whatnot, and then you can put another shade through there. So it's pretty versatile, and as you saw, it's quick, it's easy. It takes about a minute each side, maybe 2 minutes, I don't know. but it's well worth doing. So yeah, if you haven't got one, you want one, ring the team at Jawa and they might be able to hook you up. So you might be able to order one through those guys. That's it. Hope you enjoyed the video. It's pretty straightforward, very simple invention that it just puts you outside more than inside, and that's, like I said, that's why you buy the hybrid van. So yeah, hope you enjoyed. Thank you.